god, dude, I couldn't even hit him with the assassin sword. He can hit me from 8 blocks away. Josh, he's recording the video.
Oh, but is he recording voice?
Not now, Josh. Dude, ready? He's gonna be aiming down and kill her away. He just did. All he's doing is looking down.
Oh.
I'm gonna kill him. I killed him. Dude, he was trying to shoot you with a bow, but dude, he was like aimbotting instant health on you. Go away! Dude, here he is. Dude, did you see that? I know, dude. He's just like, dude, and he can hit us from so far that we can't even hit him. I hit him with the assassin sword. Oh my, dude, he has such a health boost on.